Hey, I'm Sketch Monkey and I'm back with another video. And in this video also I'm gonna select a drawing that I did for my Instagram account and then try to color it digitally. I'm gonna start it off simply by taking a picture of my traditional work that I did and then copying that into my canvas and doing my line work for it. This is the simplest way to render if you are using a mouse, and if you don't have a graphics tablet or any sort of digital drawing device, this makes it easier and this makes it possible actually just to draw with mouse, and that's why I like this program a lot. When I put the lines for shadowing on the skin, I turn off the base color because it's easier for me. For some people, they find the other way quite easier, but for me, I prefer this. Now it's time for the final reveal. So there you go. This is my final piece of art. I hope you all enjoyed. If you did, smash a like and subscribe if you want more of these videos. And thanks for watching.